Yes, yes, yes. Well, here we go. 10-year high for uranium. So in this video, we're going to talk about a little bit about the uranium, next gen. Okay, that ticker symbol, NXE. We're going to talk about URA, the uranium ETF a little bit. So we see here, okay, Russia was the third largest provider of uranium to the United States, okay? After Canada. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. No, you're not going to get me to pronounce it, right? So now that we have a ban, okay, against Russia, well, that changes things. That changes things a little bit because, Russia import ban. So let's, and why is uranium high? Well, not really because of this, but because of this. This right here, people. Yes, that's a thing, and it's a big thing. It's only going to get bigger. So let's get to some charts. Okay, so this is NXE, next gen. Okay, so this is it on the daily time frame. Right now, this is May 24th. Okay, daily time frame. You see here. Okay, let me just show you right here how the technicals are saying a little bit of a buy, and the analysts are saying a little bit of that, okay? So, something to know. Right now, we're here. This price is nice, $7.88, okay? So, you see this area right here? To me, I feel like I could kind of just cut it in half if I wanted to. Like this upper level and lower level is kind of like a mirror image of each other, okay? As in how much above, how much below. So but the actual candle is below this. You see this green line, this green, okay? That's the 20-day moving average. The purple line, that's the 50-day. So we're kind of a little bit below it, okay? So will we break above it and through it? Yes, I feel we will because you see the little wick. I feel we will and it'll go back up. I feel that we will come back to this price and keep going. There's a band. Like, why wouldn't we, right? So I feel good about that and we'll return. Now, this is like $8.50, so maybe that's like $8.75 or so before we hit resistance and probably bounce off. Let me just get my marker over here. Get the trend line. Okay, hold on. Here we go. I feel like here at these levels, okay, at this level, let me just move my marker. At these levels, it hit resistance. People sold. So people sold before in this area. For me to pick it up for a buy area, I already have this, but to buy some more, right? I like this area for a buy zone. So this is like $7 to $7.25. Because when we came here, we bounced. It was support. We bounced. It was support. It was support. So if we dip a little bit lower, set alerts. You can set alerts on your platforms so you could pick some up around here. Okay, you could pick some up around here because we don't seem to be going really below this level anymore. Okay, in the time, if we did drop below $7, then I think we would bounce off this gold line here, orange gold line. That's the 200-day moving average. Okay, so that's what it is looking like to me right there. Alrighty, so just wanted to show you. We're kind of like the amount of space above and the amount of space below is kind of equal. So when it's like that, you could also dollar cost average in, okay? Like that. You could do that kind of thing and then ride it up into the sunset. I wouldn't just put all your eggs in one basket like right now here in case we drop lower. So I wanted to make sure I said that there. So this is what, look at this. Nice projections and everything. Okay. Nice numbers there. Percentages. Okay. Strong buy. That looks lovely. How many analysts? 15 are saying strong buy. 2 are saying buy. Okay. That's nice. Wanted to show you that. Not endorsement to buy this or anything. Not financial advice. Okay. So this is, okay. We're looking, this is how we're looking and all these other time periods. Let's just keep moving on. Don't want to make the video too long. Alrighty. It is a 9. Okay. It's in that category. All right, it's in that category for the year. How much are we up? We're probably up more than that. So then, Easter egg time. Now I'm moving on. Look at this. Oh, what is this, Miss Moneymaker? Well, I'm whispering and talking low now because look how beautiful this is. This has been going up for a minute. Okay, left top corner, here we go. MOD, I just dropped this in. Has nothing to do with uranium. No, it doesn't. It's just something that I dropped in here as an Easter egg for you to see this lovely chart. And right now, we're a little bit, we came below, but we popped above again, all right? These lines are always like a support level. And so we're back above it again. Okay, we're back above it again. So with this, okay, hold on. Let me just move it. The price target is up higher. It's up higher. Do some homework on this. You see there was some selling here. So do I think we'll go from 101 to 110 again? Okay, yeah, I think we would. Why wouldn't we? Look at the trend. The trend has been going nicely upward for a minute. Let's look at it on this. Look how beautiful that looks. Did you not say, oh my gosh, isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. Okay, so now let's say, okay, we're trading here. This is still the daily time frame. And we go up here. That's, if you just go to the all-time high, that's only 7.9, so 8%. Okay? So if you want to set alerts for lower to pick it up, you know, in case it drops back down there, I don't know if it will, but if it does and stuff like that, you know, then you have some more room, like 18% and everything. But my point is with this is one of those stocks where you can sleep at night because it's been going up so long. Okay, nicely trending. This is like a way to stay green. Okay, it's like hedging, you know. Okay, so that's MOD. Do some homework. Easter egg. Okay, and why we're talking about it? Well, look at that for the year, up 409%. I don't have to yell. 409% speaks for itself. Okay. So I just want to throw that Easter egg in as we move on to the uranium, okay, ETF. This is the global ETF, okay? So right now trading at $32.31. Okay, now you see we had a little resistance when we came around this area before in the past. This is before, this is before 2022. So this is really, really in the past, okay? And we had a little resistance area again here in 2024, but we broke above it now. We broke above it. So that's nice. You know, so sometimes people want to hold the ETF. This is a global ETF, okay? Instead of picking like just one uranium stock in particular. You can see here how it looks for all these time frames, 1 month, 3 months, year to date, okay? And you know, like I said before, there's a band, right? We're soaring high. There's a ban because of Biden or on Russia. So I just wanted to make sure I showed you all these things. And I wanted to leave you with Mr. Man here. He said, action cures fear. Action cures fear. Okay? Action cures fear. So when you have something, you know, set an alert down lower. You know, set an alert so you can pick it up, so you have some kind of action. Okay, if you don't want to buy it here, set an alert there. Sell. I have a sell thing already in your brokerage account, so you can sell some here, so you can take some profits in case you miss it when it happens and it dips back down. My point is though, let's have some action regarding what we're doing. Action. Okay, action cures fear, and action speaks louder than words. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.